Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. It's 9th December, Wednesday, and our objectives are comparing like fractions. So, guys, open up your books, page number 66. Brush up. Question number 1. Write these fractions in ascending order. We have to compare the given fractions. We are given some fractions. You can see on the board. This is a fraction. Have a look of this fraction. Compare. We have to compare 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8. So guys, first of all, you can see this is the, ये कौन सी फ्रैक्शन है? इट्स अ लाइक फ्रैक्शन. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस कौन सी होती हैं? द डिनोमिनेटर इन ईच पेयर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज़ द सेम. When the denominator in each pair of the fraction is same, these fractions are called like fractions. Or you can say fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. So you can see in this case all the denominators are same. Denominators, the bottom numbers. Denominator कौन सा होता है? Bottom number, and numerator is the top number. But in this case all the denominators are same and numerators are different. So how you will identify either the fraction, कौन सी fraction इसमें बड़ी है और कौन सी bigger है? So now look at the board very carefully. The fraction is 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8 is equal to, we have to write it in ascending order. Ascending order mean smaller to bigger. Students, remember, when the numerator is small in like fraction, in the case of like fractions, जब numerator small होगा, the fraction will be smaller. For example, 1 by 8 is smaller than the 2 by 8. दोबारा से सुन ले. इन द लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में न्यूमिरेटर स्मॉल होगा. न्यूमिरेटर मीन टॉप नंबर. जब न्यूमिरेटर स्मॉलर होगा तो फ्रैक्शन विल बी स्मॉलर. 1 by 8 is the smaller than 2 by 8. So we are writing in ascending order. किस ऑर्डर में हमने लिखना है? ascending order. Ascending mean smaller to bigger. So 1 by 8 is the smaller. 2 by 8 we will write the second 2 by 8. इसके बाद next one you will write 3 by 8. Okay guys, write 3 by 8 and then 5 by 8 at the end. 5 by 8 जो है वो सबसे बड़ी है. दोबारा let's listen again. When in the case of like fraction, numerator will, when the small numerator is smaller, fraction will be smaller, and 1 by 8 is smaller than the 5 by 8. ठीक है? So I wrote this fraction in ascending order. So now look the question number 2. Open up your book, page number 66. I already have told you. Second B part, 2 by 6. You can see 2 by 6. Let me explain you the second part of this page. 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 1 by 6. All the denominators are same. So this is again like fraction. In the case of like fraction में smaller numerator shows the smaller fraction. So सबसे छोटा numerator कौन सा इनमें? 1. So it mean we will write 1 by 6. First of all in the start सबसे छोटा 1 by 6 fraction है. Then choose the next one. Next numerator is 2. 2 by 6 we will write 2 by 6. We are writing this fraction in ascending order. We already know ascending order means smaller to bigger. Then we will write 3 by 6. 3 by 6. The last one 4 by 6. Okay, grade 2. Grade 3, you have to do part C, D, E, F on the book. And question number 2, you also have to do question number 2. Write these fractions in descending order. Descending order mean bigger to smaller. You have to start from the bigger number. 2 by 4, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So इनमें सबसे बिगर कौन सी फ्रैक्शन है? I already have told you in part A, the greater numerator always shows the greater number. So 3 by 4 is the bigger than all. 3 by 4, comma, then we will write 2 by 4. We starting from greater to smaller, okay? So greater one is the 3 by 4 is the greater one. Second will be 2 by 4. And the last, at the end, we will write the smaller than all, 1 by 4. Okay, grade 3, you have to do question 1 and 2, both on rough register you have to practice, and you have to do question number 2 on notebook. Thank you, grade 3.